Hello, welcome back, and inside this video I will show you how to add an image inside your project Flutter, and then we will use this image to display on the screen. Ready? First thing first, you will need to create a new folder. For this, you can go at the bottom, you can click at the bottom, or you can, maybe we can click there. No, okay, so let's go at the bottom and right click and say new folder. And this one we will call it images, okay? With a lowercase letter, and that's wonderful. Next thing that we want to do is to add an image inside this. So I will take an image from my desktop and I will just drag and drop inside this. Easy, okay? You can do the same thing. Next, we need to put this image inside what we call the pubspec.yalm. Let's double click on this and let's discover this wonderful file. If you scroll down, you will find a section where it's called assets, image, and this. Okay? What you will do is you will go just before the A of the asset and you will delete twice. 1, 2. It needs to be exactly like this, okay? Because if you have one space like this, it will not work, okay? Make sure to delete twice. Then what you will do is you will press right after the hashtag. You will click to the right once and you will delete twice. 1, 2. Magnificent. Next thing you need to do is you will remove this and you will just keep image like this. This tells Flutter that inside our assets of the project, we have a folder called image, okay? And we have one called it image. And you then you put the slash. That means every image that will be inside this folder will be accessible with Flutter, okay? Next thing you need to do, I will move this. You need to press this little arrow, get packages. So you click on this. If you use Android Studio, you can do the same thing, but with a command. If you go inside your terminal, you can say, so this is the same thing, clicking on the arrow or clicking or writing Flutter pub get. It's absolutely the same thing. Good? It will refresh inside the Flutter project this file, the pubspec.yalm. I will close this and I will close Galaxy also. Now we can remove what we have with the network. I will delete this. I will move this and you can use instead the asset. Okay? It's the same logic. You put the quotation mark first, but instead of being the name of the source, it will be the name of the location of this. So you need to say image because we go inside the image folder, slash. I will write galaxy.jpg because it's the name of my file, but you will put the name of your file. Good? And now if we restart the app, you will see that if we go inside settings, it works. That's magnificent. But if you have a problem, okay, because this can happen sometime when you add new file and you add new image, maybe you will have a problem saying the image is not accessible. What you will need to do is close the application and relaunch the application. And then it will work, okay? Because sometimes it can happen. So the application will just relaunch and I will fast forward. Good, the application has a relaunch and we have the Galaxy image that is from our Flutter project. That's it for this video and I see you on the next one.